I pick up my inspiration from a lot of different places. This is a little wood top. Most people make these things with traverse braces, and I decided that I wanted to put an X brace in there and utilize what I knew about instruments construction to improve the wood top banjo a little bit.
Yeah, let's hear it.
It's got a really delicate tone.
You have probably single-handedly empowered more people to build banjos than anybody in this century.
I really enjoy playing instruments that I've made. There's something that really sets that apart as a musical experience.
In your building, you document like crazy. Is that just part of your nature from being an engineer? So when you go back and build another one, you know what you did here and you avoid those mistakes, but you also know what to add?
My documentation process is part of being able to teach others that skill.
Why would you encourage somebody to build their own banjo?
I take particular enjoyment out of playing an instrument that you've built. My first guitar that I built for years, every time there was a bit of humidity in the air and I would play, a little bit of that smell would waft out of the sound hole, and it would bring me back to what a pleasurable experience it was to hand bend the sides over a heated pipe.
Yeah. The things you do with your hands, you appreciate them more.
I do.
And so by capturing the data the way you do, you're empowering other people to experience that joy.
I think that's would be it in a nutshell. The shop is in a quarter of my garage over here.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is stunning.
You know what you need to do is walk down. When you walk down there by the path and then look up this way, that's a really interesting view. Yeah, you kind of get a really nice overview of the property here.
So your shop is your garage, and I know you pride yourself on being the frugal builder. So you don't have unnecessary tools. What are the basic tools you use to build banjos in here?
Probably the number one thing that you would want is a good workbench. A good workbench is imperative.
Let's say I'm somebody that wants to learn how to build a banjo. What can you teach me today in your shop?
What I can teach you basically is what I like about the instruments and what I like about my instruments in particular.
Cool.
So when everything is put together and the neck runs through the channel and the capture nut at the tailpiece end is attached, it draws the neck and the rim, both sides of the rim against the channel dowel stick, and it really makes a pretty substantial attachment system. So the neck is really solid.